Hi, today for the Asus Zenfone and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint to see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we could see, with a simple touch of the power key button, I just unlocked the device successfully just in 1 second. This is the good result for the fingerprint unlock method. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.